Investing in understanding. Unlock your child's true potential. Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to speak about a topic that is close to every parent's heart, the growth and success of their children. As parents, we leave no stone unturned to ensure our child's academic growth. We invest in schools, extra classes, coaching programs, and specialized training with the hope that these efforts will lead to outstanding results and a bright future. However, have you ever wondered why some children excel while others, despite receiving the same support, struggle to meet expectations? This difference often leaves parents frustrated and unsure about what went wrong. Could it be that the child's natural abilities and learning styles were not aligned with the chosen methods? Could it be that we focused on the wrong areas, ignoring their innate potential? This is where the Dermatoglyphics Multiple Intelligence Test, or DMIT, comes in. DMIT is a scientific tool that analyzes a child's fingerprints to provide deep insights into their innate talents, learning preferences, and areas of intelligence. It helps parents understand the child's natural strengths and weaknesses, enabling them to tailor their guidance accordingly. Now here's the question. When we are already investing so much in our child's academic journey, why hesitate to invest a relatively small amount in something as impactful as DMIT? This is not just another expense. It is an opportunity to unlock your child's true potential. Imagine this. Instead of guessing which path might suit your child, you have a clear roadmap that highlights their strengths. Instead of spending on activities that might not resonate with them, you focus on areas where they can truly shine. This is what DMIT offers, a way to make informed, meaningful decisions about your child's education and future. We must remember that every child is unique. By understanding their individuality through DMIT, we can help them build confidence, develop skills, and achieve long-term success in a way that aligns with their natural abilities. So, I urge all parents here today to consider this investment. It is not just about spending money. It is about giving your child the gift of self-awareness and the chance to thrive in their own way. Let us not leave their potential to chance. Let us guide them with understanding and purpose. Thank you.